I'm just
Okay.
here to make
So,
a special appearance.
or if you don't
I
want to
don't want a
participate,
contract at all. I don't want a contract at all. I am a
I am
non-resident
here.
alien. Listen to me. I'm
I'm
telling you.
here for no, ma'am.
Today's case is Wild, a sovereign citizen. Walks into court for driving without insurance and immediately claims the law doesn't apply to her because she's not a citizen. You really can't make this stuff up, she tries to argue her way out, but ends up completely unraveling. Meanwhile, the judge stays calm and completely shuts her down. Point by point, it's a textbook example of how these tactics go absolutely nowhere. If you're into real courtroom moments like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's jump right into it.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vier Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court, so certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, now this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail potentially in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts. I'm just here to make a special appearance.
Okay, so let me let you know. So even if you're making a special appearance on behalf of that, either you have insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me. And therefore, you are my trustee. So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter.
She thinks she is. This woman's trying to get her entire case thrown out by claiming she's a foreign alien and not subject to U.S. laws. It makes zero legal sense. If you're using public roads, you're agreeing to follow the laws that come with them, and that includes carrying insurance. It's called implied consent. No amount of made-up legal theories is going to change that. What do you think? Is there any logic behind these sovereign citizen arguments, or is it all just noise? Let's get back to the
argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, I don't want a contract at all.
I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a KPS.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. John Vier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal. Have a great day, ma'am.
You as well.
Are about to get a lot more intense in this next hearing. This sovereign citizen completely loses control. and the judge calmly breaks down every flawed argument she throws out. It's a total meltdown. What's wild is how she acts like buying car insurance is some huge injustice, when in reality, it's a basic requirement meant to protect everyone on the road. This isn't a conspiracy, it's just the law. The more she talks, the deeper she digs herself into a hole. And the judge, he's about to hit her with some serious facts. Let me know in the comments what you think, and let's jump into the next hearing. Citizen throws out the term attorney of fact. It's like they think they've discovered a legal cheat code. But it doesn't work like that. Not even close. They use it as if saying the phrase somehow gives them legal authority. But unless you're a licensed attorney with a proper registration, like a real bar number, the court's not recognizing you as anything official. You can't just invent roles or make up courtroom rules because you don't agree with the real ones. It shows just how disconnected these arguments really are.
Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm a foreign entity challenging your jurisdiction.
Okay. So I need the actual person, John Pierre Williams. So if you're representing her, I need her to be online as well. So if she cannot be online, I can't proceed with this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so that all cap name was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm
here for, no ma'am. Okay. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for John Viera Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I cannot handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she present today?
Do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not John Viera Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am an authorized representative. I just told you I'm an authorized representative.
Do you have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number, ma'am?
I'm an attorney in fact.
Side are you on in this hearing? The sovereign citizen or the side of common sense? Personally, I'm all for how the judge handled it. She stayed calm, firm, and didn't entertain any of the nonsense exactly how it should be. Some judges let these arguments drag on, but not this time. She kept things on track and under control. That's how you maintain order in a courtroom. What do you think? Did the judge strike the right balance, or should she have been tougher? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.